Harris, and I am here to just recommend that you take part in this amazing book. You have the opportunity to become an affiliate. That means you will get paid for telling people about this amazing book. So I just want to encourage you to take part in this amazing opportunity.
This is Dr. Stan Harris from my book, Your Breakthrough is Guaranteed. So many people's lives have been changed and transformed by it. We finally turned it into an affiliate program. People kept begging and asking, man, I've been getting people to buy your book. Can I make some money? So yes, you can sign up to be an affiliate. Again, my friend, it's just $10 measly for the year, and you're going to get 50% commission. As a matter of fact, how about this? You're going to make more money off of my book, recommending people get my book, than I make, because I've got to pay the webmaster and everybody else. So you're going to get 50%, my friend. And then you're going to be able, if you want to, you can get 2 books. If you want to buy 2, you'll get a third one free. And then if you want to buy 10 books, you're going to get 10 books for only $100. That's crazy, my friend. But as an affiliate, you can do that. And then, of course, we have pricing if you want to get bigger lots and so forth. And so I've had people that order whole cases of this. But anyway, my friend, I'm so excited. And by the way, the book also promotes, in the back of the book, it promotes 2 tickets to my live breakthrough event. And it gives where people that want to get started in home-based business, they can put their information. You put your information here, sell them the book, and then they get back contact with you. And I'll even have several reasons why everybody should join the home-based business. So this is a book, my friend. It's an international bestseller, as seen on TV. Many people have been recommended. Now you get to sell it, and you, my friend, get your own site, your link. People can go on there, click and buy, and you will get paid. And we pay every week.